year, we've seen a lot more people becoming citizens, and therefore, because the increase of application, there's an increase on N-400 applications for naturalization.
20 children from across the globe are now proud to call themselves American citizens. A special ceremony was held for them here in the Valley today, and it was a bit out of the ordinary.
CBS 4's Nora Salinas was there, and she has our report.
Families from the Philippines, India, the Dominican Republic, and Mexico gathered under one roof for one purpose.
It means that I can get new opportunities to live my life and then originally be an American.
20 boys and girls between the ages of 4 and 18 received their official U.S. citizenship certificates on Friday during a special Halloween-themed ceremony held by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services.
This year, we've seen a lot more people becoming citizens, and therefore, because the increase of application, there's an increase on N-400 applications for naturalization, and so therefore, there's an increase on the derivatives of those citizens.
Some of the children present were adopted by U.S. citizen parents. Others obtained their citizenship when their immigrant parents became naturalized citizens.
This is a very great event that my kids are going to remember for the rest of their lives. It's a great opportunity that this amazing country gives us. That's why it's the #1 country in the world. And for them, it means a great future ahead.
16-year-old Jason Garcia arrived to the U.S. from the Philippines at only 4 years old. Today at 16, he has big dreams now that he is an American citizen.
I want to be a pediatrician so I can help kids out.
It's such a special event. I mean, becoming a citizen is such an honor, it's such a privilege. And when they're children, we want to make it extra special, and let them know what the meaning of becoming a citizen and the opportunities that this great country offers.
In Harlingen, Nora Salinas, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
This is the third year the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services in Harlingen holds a similar event like the one today.